S.S. Rajamouli's latest directorial venture, RRR, has set the cash registers ringing in how. Starring Junior NTR and Charan in the lead roles, the movie earned Rs 223 crore worldwide on day one of its release. In India, the film minted Rs 156 crore on its opening day. Indian film critic and trade analyst Charan shared the movie's box office collection on his Instagram account. The magnum opus, which also stars Ajay Devgan and Alia Bhatt, became India's biggest ever opener after overtaking Bahubali 2, which had made Rs 217 crore worldwide on its opening day.